welcome. I want to share you a very quick video what is happening on my workbench now, and I've also hidden some clues what's coming in the future, so keep your eyes open, and further ado, let's jump into this. Okay, so this is my Jeep Cherokee XJ hardbody project, which is almost finished. I had to order more paint, so this is not ready yet. But it will be something NATO green, camo color, maybe, let's see. And this project I will build on this SCX10.3 chassis. Then let's move on. I have here Tamiya DT03 buggy, which has been shelved since last summer. I fixed it. Video is coming later this week, so I put some upgrades on it, so that would be quite interesting. And finally, yes, we have this Ford 150 Raptor coming along nicely. This is special paint, well, not special, but it's painted outside with the plastic colors, and of course it's primed before, so it will be interesting. I wanted olive drab color this, and you don't get anywhere polycarbonate paint with that color, so I had to use this Tamiya TS colors. For this I'm pretty excited. Expect some comparison videos, upgrade videos, test drive videos. Yes, I'm very excited. Tamiya video is coming this week out, so don't miss that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, and I hope that we see you in the next video. So peace out.